want to get in the big truck and go buy some choo-choos?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Never choo-choo.
You want those?
No, they in the big truck.
You want to get in the big truck
Uh-huh.
and go buy choo-choos?
No, diesel.
You want diesel 10?
No, that's a choo-choo. No, diesel.
And diesel.
No, diesel.
We have to wait.
We have to wait till Christmas.
No, that's no, coffee. No, pizza.
We can't go right now.
The big truck.
No, we can't get in the big truck and go to the store to buy choo-choos now. We gotta wait till Christmas.
No,
Can you say Christmas?
The store's closed, buddy.
Hey, where are you going?
what's about?
No, we don't unlock the door. Lock it again. There you go. Keep it locked.
Hey, we can't go right now. The store's closed.
You want trains? We have to wait till Christmas. You want them for Christmas? Okay.